Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to send bulk email using Gmail for email marketing the right way in 2025. Whether you are using or you are in a small business owner, freelancer, or just looking to reach a large audience, this step-by-step guide will help you to send personalized bulk emails without ending up in the spam folder. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, can you send bulk emails from Gmail? I hope you have these questions if you're watching this video. Then definitely I will assure you that yes, you can send bulk emails with Gmail, but there are limits. Like Gmail free account limit has like 500 emails per day. Then Google Workspace, that is a paid version, provide you to send almost 2000 emails per day, and it is best for newsletter promotion, announcement, and outreach. To manage bulk emails effectively, you should use MailMerge tool. We will walk you through the next step. As you can see, we already landed in our Gmail account, and this is our Gmail account. So here we are going to merge our Gmail account so we can easily send bulk emails to our audience. So how we can do that? So it is really simple and easiest one. It just you need to open this platform. Then in the Google platform, you just need to open a new tab. Once you open that new tab, just go over here and search for merge mails. And as you can see, this is our merge mail result page. So here you can see this is the options we have, but in the first row, as you can see, this is create an email merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. So you just need to go with this link. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now here you can see that they have a title that's called create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. So here you can see coding level is beginner, duration is 10 minutes, and project type is automation with custom menu. So here you can read all this information provided here, so you can easily understand how you can merge it. So this is really simple process, but let's dive into the practical one so you can understand it by watching this video. Once you visit that place, here you can see that they are given some script service. As you can see, this is the options. So let's watch it. As you can see this one, so we are going to do it by step. As you can see also the prerequisites. In fact, a Google, you just need a Google account and a web browser with access to the internet. So with these two requirements, you can easily start your bulk email service. So here I'm going to click on this make a copy. As you can see, if you read this info, that will be click the following button to make a copy of Gmail Sheets mail merge sample spreadsheet. This app script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheet. Just click over here, make a copy, and now just click on make a copy. Once you're done, now here you can see they will eventually give us a result here. As you can see, first name, last name, receptionist, then description, discount code, and many more. So here after this, what should we do? So if you in your copied spreadsheet, update the receptionist column with email address you want to use in my mail merge. So I'm going to update this. I'm going to provide the name. Similarly, I'm going to copy all the things like same. Then I'm going to change it like my one. Similarly, and then I'm going to change the mail. I'm going to provide my friend mail, that is, and you can see it. Once I'm done, then I will don't touch anything. I will just change this one discount code, and now it's been okay. And now next I'm going to go on to the previous page and I will read. Here you can see optional, add, edit, or remove columns to customize the data you want to include in your email template. So here if you want to add any information like customizable, then you can add it, or if you want to delete this one, you can delete it. It's totally up to you. If you change the name to the receptionist or email sent columns, you must update the corresponding code in the app's script project. You can open app's script project from the spreadsheet by clicking extension app script. So I'm not going to this one. I will dive into the main goal, that is create an email template. So I'm going to create an email template, but before that you need to be remember that in your Gmail account, create an email draft to include data from the spreadsheet in your email. You can use placeholder that correspond to column names surrounded by curly braces such as first name. So I'm going to make a template here. So here in the receptionist, you just need to add this one, receptionist, recipient. Just copy this and you just need to add this second column and then again use second column, and here I'm going to give a title. I will take help from ChatGPT. Here I'm going to search ChatGPT and let's search it, and let's click on this one and give me a simple mail template, and let's hit into the button and it will take us the template over here. I'm going to copy those and let's copy this one, and then I am going to paste it here, and here we are going to change something that will be similar like this one. I'm going to copy this first name and then change it. So you just need to follow this one what I am seeing you, and then here you just need to be copy your descriptions. Here I'm going to give this description. Okay, so it's been done. I hope so. Now you can provide a subject or whatever you want. It's totally up to you. Once you're done, then I'm going to copy and mail address also from that place. I'm going to input it to the our, like I can say that our spreadsheet. So copy this one and come back to this panel and let's duplicate this one. Does we have this option? No, we don't. So I'm going to paste it manually. Last name for first. I'm going to provide this first name for, and similarly you can change whatever you want. It's totally up to you. Once you're done, then come visit that place, and as you can see we don't have any. So now we are going to send this mail. So how we can do it? You just need to click on mail merge. So here click on mail merge and click on send emails. As you can see, authorized record script attached to the document need to permission to run. Okay, and let's give the authentication back. Google has not verified the app. Again back to safety, third party app. So there is no problem. Let's go and let's try it again. Merge all, send emails, and authenticity script attached to this document needs your permission to run. Okay, and let's try it. Okay, there is some issue, so I need to fix it. Let's click on back and to safety. Okay, I found out the solution. You just need to click on mail merge, then click on send emails, and eventually you will get this message authorization required. Just click on OK and then choose your mail account, and let's click on advanced and click this one. Here as you can see, let's click on Google Chrome just once. Again it has done. Here you can see. Now let's click on mail merge, send emails. Here you can see again it has been come. So let's try it again. Okay, similarly I'm going to do this one and continue only if you understand the tricks and trust. So I'm going to click on this one panel and set an app to open Malito link. Okay, click on Firefox just once, and here I'm going to click on open. So here I need to provide this template. I already made it, so I will come back this platform, and here I'm going to copy this and then paste it here, and let's click on send, and our message has been sent to our all the people. So this way you can fix your all the necessary things. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you want to send bulk message to your friend or your audience, then this method will be really helpful for you. If you have any question towards related this video, then ask me on the comment box. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.